Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the incubator. Incubator in microbiology is an insulated and the enclosed device that provide an optimal conditions of temperature, humidity, and other environmental conditions required for the growth of organisms. Principle is an incubator is based on the principle that organisms required a particular set of parameters of their growth and development with the optimal condition under the temperature, humidity, oxygen, CO2 level. There are the parts and component of incubator: cabinet, door, control panel, thermostat, perforated shelf, L-shaped thermometer, HEPA filters, humidity and gas control. Next is the how do I choose a laboratory incubator. The size and capacity of the incubator are the first most basic consideration. Estimating the number of samples that will be incubating at any one time will give a general idea of a proper internal volume. What is the temperature, humidity and CO2 range will necessary for your work and will a water source be required? Next, the types of incubator used in laboratory: benchtop incubator, portable incubator, CO2 incubator, shaking incubator and cooling incubator, BOD incubator. Uses: incubator also provide a controlled conditions for sample storage before they uh, can be processed in a laboratory. Laboratory incubator provide a controlled, contaminant-free environment for the safe, reliable working. Microbiological incubators are the used for growth and the storage of bacterial culture colonies, and laboratory incubators are essential for cell and the tissue cultures. Precautions: as the microorganisms are susceptible to temperature change, fluctuation temperature of the cabinet by rapidly opening the door should be avoided, and also the required parameter growth of organism should met the before the culture plates are placed inside the cabinet. And today practical we discuss about the incubator. Thank you.